Okay. Ayan po, dito kami sa Saigon Halong Hotel. Nag-check-in holiday para ma-relax naman yung aming mga katawan. Hindi yung puro trabaho na lang. Kailangan meron naman time para sa family. Ayan. Hindi kami. Ayan yung ano namin. Kunin mo te. Ayan. Yung kwarto, room number 721 and
Hello.
ayan. Ay, ayan. 723. Yeah. Come here. Meron, okay.
Hello, ang ganda.
Kim Cha, can you help me to how to open? Thank you. It's okay, never mind. You go inside. Yes. Yeah, wow. See, like, this is my family. I take 2 rooms. Room 2, 723 and 721. Yeah. Ayan, see? Sino masawa ko? Tignan mo.
Ang ganda ng view. Pasok mo. Napapasok mo na.
Papasok kunwari.
This is free. The water.
Thank you, Emnya.
The water is free.
And this one?
Free yan.
This one, we have the mini bar is right there.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a price for this.
Oh, this is not free.
Yeah, it's
The coffee?
the coffee and tea is free.
Free. Just only
Is
the
free?
junk food.
Only this one
This
is
junk food not free.
Yeah, this food is not free.
Ah.
Also, the mini
Oh,
bar.
I know. Minibar not free.
Yes, mini bar.
Yeah.
We have the price on this.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So this
Yes.
one also is for sale.
Yeah, it was for sale.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take a look outside, guys. Take a look outside.
Yung bag mo.
Yan, tingnan mo naman.
TV?
Take a look.
Ano yung ano? Hindi ba binibigyan ng tip yun? Yung
Ha?
mga ganyan?
Ha?
Binibigyan ng tip yung mga ganyan.
Oh.
Ano password nito?
Wala akong tigas.
Ayan.
Ano password nito?
May Netflix dito?
Eh,
Ayan.
ano password nito?
007.